Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and I wanted to show you a video doing the wax seals. A couple weeks ago I picked up this glue gun that is wide enough to put these wax seals in, and I bought this at Hobby Lobby. They had it half off, the glue gun half off, as well as the wax seal, the stamp. So I thought that was really neat. So I'm trying it for the first time. It's been a while since I've done the wax seals. I did upload a video, I guess it was a couple weeks ago, doing the faux wax seals with just regular hot glue gun sticks. So this one is like a little flourish. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it says flourish. And so I love that design there. So we're going to try this and see if it works. It looks like it's hot enough. It's kind of dripping out here. So alright, so it says to do it as wide as the stamp. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to let it cool a little bit, so I'm just going to kind of make some different rings. Little piles here. Well, let's see here. I may have to put another stick in. I might have made my little circles a little too big. Alright, let's see something. I wonder if it's cool enough to... I don't know if that was cool enough or not. It might stick to the stamp. No, that did perfect, didn't it? Wow. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, I waited a little too long on this one. Hopefully it'll still do. Oh, it did still do. Okay. Still just trying to kind of work with this a little bit. It's a little bit... Okay. Let me make another little one. It says it's supposed to make... I forget how many it said it's supposed to do, but I think I might have put too much on these first few. So I'm going to try to do a little bit smaller. Okay. Yeah, this one is stuck on here. Yeah, definitely too big. Okay. Alright, well. And this one, I don't think it was big enough. Okay. Okay. Well, some of these are pretty good. Some of them's kind of hit and miss. Let's see. It says each wax stick makes over 20 seals. I don't see how it does. I mean, I'm already having to put in a second stick. Okay. Let's try that. Maybe I'll just do like 2 at a time. Alright. That seems to be better. I think maybe because I'm doing too many at one time, it's taking a little while to dry. Okay. Okay. So I'm catching. Yeah, by doing 2 at a time, I think that's helping. I'm getting it in. That's like perfect. That looks good. I'll scoot it up to the camera so you can see it a little bit better. see, this one is like perfect. And this one too. So I'm getting the hang of it. A couple of them are a little... And the reason why I'm putting these on the wax paper, because I am making these for a stationery kit that I'm going to be putting together. It's going to be a new kit that I'm going to have on my website. So as I put some things together, I'll be uploading videos showing y'all of what's going to be included in that. I almost waited too long on this one, so hopefully it'll still do good. But for the most part, these are looking really good. There's just a couple of them that's kind of wonky. Kind of lift it up so it can cool up underneath. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just do one last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I might do a couple more because some of these, they don't really look as good. Okay. Okay. For the most part, most of these are looking pretty good. I think if you probably just focused on doing one at a time, I think it would turn out really good. Yeah, that one kind of messed up a little bit, but it still looks good. Okay, so I think I'm done with these for now. Most of them turned out really nice. And even the ones that are, you know, a little imperfect, they're still really nice too. You know, you can use them. And the reason why I'm putting this on wax paper is because with the kit, I'm going to be taking these off of the wax paper and then putting, I'll be including like some kind of adhesive that the person can stick on the back of it and then put on the envelope. So that's the reason why I'm doing that. So, but anyway, that is it for this video. I just wanted to kind of show you real quick what I had bought at Hobby Lobby and kind of how to use it. So if you have any questions, feel free to put them below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.